All right, now time to put it on the mount. And I don't really have to manipulate these roots too much because it kind of is laying pretty cool the way it is. Okay, I think I'm gonna put it right up there. All right, now we're gonna grab your glue and get a couple of rubber bands because that's how we're going to mount it on here to stay permanently. Make sure you have your roots exactly where you want them placed and hold it down. Push the wires down into the grooves of the rock as much as you can. And you're going to grab one of your rubber bands and get it as close to the base there as you can and cover the roots. Okay, twist it right in the back, hold it down, and then come around again. And then we're going to do that one more time. So when it's on there, now you can manipulate it so that it's covering and pushing down on the roots. So we're going to put a dab there. You're going to try not to get it onto the rubber band, but if it does, it does. Make sure that base is covered completely underneath with the wire because that's what you need to stay down. You can also use E6000 if you need to. I just like this a little better because it dries quicker and the odor is not as bad. That's that. We'll let it dry overnight and we'll see how everything turns out in the morning. And there we have it. With the bands off, none of them stuck to the glue, and it just came out really beautiful.